Great. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Sam Goot on the Toyota marketing team, and we are so glad to have you with us here today on campus. And I get the special honor of sharing the newest version of the best-selling nameplate in the world, Corolla. For over 50 years, Corolla has been synonymous with dependability, fuel efficiency, safety, and value. Since its launch in Japan in 1966, the Corolla series has sold nearly 50 million units in more than 150 countries. So we thought to ourselves, how do we make Corolla even better? Let's grow its family and provide our customers with the next evolution. 2022 Corolla Cross is a smart, refreshing, and well-balanced addition to the SUV lineup. Corolla Cross will be Toyota's second product in the expanding entry SUV segment. Based on the ever-popular Corolla sedan, this bold crossover adds a healthy helping of versatility, capability to an already incredible package. And not to mention projected class-leading cargo space to handle any of life's activities. Corolla Cross has 3 well-equipped grades, L, LE, and XLE. Additionally, you can buy these in either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. And yes, I said all-wheel drive. Okay, moving on to the front end, which features a distinctive black grille flanked by LED lighting, while alongside the black body accents are also included. Around back, an integrated rear spoiler and LED lighting is standard across the lineup. Also available is a power lift gate to access the large cargo area. And when it comes to wheels, options range from 17-inch steel on L to 18-inch alloy on XLE. Okay, now moving on to the interior. Once inside the Corolla Cross does not disappoint. The interior design is intuitive, thoughtful, and surprisingly spacious. And thanks to available quality materials, such as a leather-wrapped steering wheel, soft tech seats, and heated front seats, the Corolla Cross interior is anything but entry-level. The high-tech interior is achieved with available 8-inch touchscreen audio display, 7-inch MID screen, available wireless phone charger, and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All of this makes those daily drives that much more enjoyable. And rear seat passengers get perks too, even my 4-legged passengers, with standard HVAC vents and available fold-down armrest and USB charge ports. And if you were wondering, these are my precious little rescue pups, Hank and Miller. Okay, now once you put it into drive, the Corolla Cross 2-liter engine with direct CVT will offer 169 horsepower and an estimated 32 combined MPG. Additionally, it can tow up to 1,500 pounds. And we cannot forget about safety. Standard Toyota Safety Sense, available blind spot monitor, and parking assist with parking support brake are just a few of my favorites. Corolla Cross will also have available accessories that expand its capabilities, including a roof rack with crossbars, an activity mount for carrying items such as bicycles, and all-wheeler floor mats. Overall, the Corolla Cross offers a lot because that is what our customers expect. They are looking for a vehicle that offers just the right amount of more from a brand they trust. These young buyers are starting to make their mark on the world, and they want a vehicle that showcases their personal style while providing the versatility to help them navigate through important milestones in their lives. The exciting first ever Corolla Cross will launch later this year. It is an expansion of the Corolla family. It is filled with spec that young, active buyers are looking for, and it is a versatile product with excellent equipment levels for the price and segment. When you check out the Corolla Cross, keep an eye out for this icon. Not only was it the inspiration for our teaser announcement last week, it was also part of the development of the vehicle. Our chief engineer placed 22 hard-to-find icons throughout the interior and exterior of the vehicle. I challenge each and every one of you to see how many you can find today. And speaking of teasing, keep another eye out for an announcement coming for the all-new Corolla Cross as early as next year. Thank you for your time this morning.